What is up, everybody? Boostown GP here coming at you, and we have the return of Vladdy boy. Oh yes we do. Just gonna do some smoky tires today, and we got rid of the old problem shifter clinker for a nice floor shifter. Seems to be pretty good. Moved the two-step button to down here, so probably won't use that today. And we're gonna just boil these son of a bitches off, and hopefully we'll have you set up on the bean pole here. And I don't know, it sticks out pretty far, so hopefully it doesn't get bent off. But anyway, we'll get this thing running and see what we could do. Oh fuck, I blew my converter. I blew the fucking converter up. Holy shit. Well, there goes that transmission. Fuck. I saw the smoke come up, and I just kept my foot in it because that's what you're supposed to do, like a normal human being. Fuck. We'll lit them tires up like a motherfucker. That's the end of that. Oh, you only get one. Hopefully it looked good.